Whew, this giant parking lot must get packed in the summer, all the people parking for the pond over there to swim. Couldn't even wait until we started hiking. You had to poop right away, huh? Yeah, for those of you who haven't seen him in a while, he's gotten a lot bigger. So I'm feeling a lot better this weekend. We're taking a couple of hikes, trying to get ready for a huge hike we're doing at the end of next month, 32 miles. Today we're at Gay City State Park. We're gonna hike down to Blackledge Falls, which is a town park where I can fly my drone around some waterfalls. But Gay City used to be an actual little village, founded back in the 1700s, lasted until the late 1800s. Basically there was a paper mill and early on a wood mill, and so people had jobs here, and then eventually pretty much all left for urban factory jobs, and the paper mill burned down, and that was the end of it. The land was donated, I think, and turned into a state park. There are foundation ruins for the paper mill we're gonna go try to find, and we're starting off over by the pond. So that's what's left of the old paper mill that burned down. And without that, the community just kind of collapsed. Everyone moved into the urban centers for better paying jobs, and that was the end of Gay City. That's about all that's left too. Down here, some stone walls and those ruins. Now, we're gonna head south and go down to Blackledge Falls as soon as we make it through this mud. Somebody's house, little basement. This is about all you'll find in this park for signs of the old village. This is right on the yellow trail. Some more foundation ruins right at the yellow and red connection. Stone wall, little foundation, not much left. On the map, the trail is intersected by another trail, but this isn't exactly what I had in mind. It practically looks like a ski slope. I continue down to the water and keep going on unmarked trail. All right, second intersection. Supposed to just keep going straight. I don't see a trail quite there, but it's supposed to be right onto the blue trail a little further down, and then we can get to the waterfalls. Ooh, these sure are big. We're just walking along the river on an unmarked trail. This used to be dammed back in the day. They opened it up in 2018, and for the first time in a long time, the river's flowing naturally. So everywhere you see grass, that all used to be just a big pond. Oh, what an awesome clearing, huh? It just rained. I thought we were gonna get a third waterfall, but we still got the two main ones. Welcome to Blackledge Falls. So we had the falls to ourselves and about 10 million mosquitoes, but super nice. We came right after it rained, and we still didn't get a third waterfall that occasionally appears. So I'm not sure how much rain has to come down to actually make that thing show up. If you want to see the waterfall without so much of a hike, there's a separate parking lot for Blackledge Falls. It is a town-owned park. If you park at Gay City, we hiked a little over 2 miles to get down here. It's not a bad trail at all. A lot of loose boulders and a lot of little stream crossings. We're gonna head all the way back up there, but take a different trail to get back. Whoa! So that dam I was talking about is right here. Wide open. Definitely not gonna cross here, but it's cool to see. There's just so much stonework down at this place. I gotta look up how old this dam is. Looks like it might have been built around the time Gay City was here. And this would have all been a big pond. So we've done a couple miles here, probably close to 4. My lungs feel great, so it's nice to know that I'm feeling better. My legs though, on the other hand, 20 some odd days of not doing anything but laying down and recovering, my legs do not feel good. So I've got about 5 or 6 weeks to get back in shape, and we'll see how that goes. It's a pretty big rush. So we're gonna finish up the red trail, head back to where we were. We're just going through all these stone walls. There's so much stonework here in this park. Honestly, this place is great for exploration. A lot of cool things, tons of little bridges. However, we came after the rain, and I have to say, it is a very muddy park today. I haven't captured that necessarily on camera, but it is muddy. We're always looking at these little side unmarked trails on the map, because you never know if you're gonna find like foundation of a building or something. Oh, we just found one giant hearth off in the middle of nowhere. Some big foundation stones all over. And then this is almost as big as the chimney at Roaring Brook in Cheshire. It's in pretty good condition, actually. Found another little foundation over back by the paper mill. There's not much left of this one, but it's very clearly here. Oh, we'd love to live here right next to the water. A little trail down. Imagine living in these one-room houses. At least the view would be nice. And we're back. Almost to the parking lot. My legs are definitely good for the day. This is definitely an awesome park for exploration. It should not be missed. Definitely hike down to Blackledge Falls, or at least drive down there and see those waterfalls. Those are some of the nicer ones around. We'll be back tomorrow with another one.